Before posting videos, it's crucial to heat up your account for between 24 and 48 hours by engaging with TikTok, liking videos, leaving comments, and interacting with other users. This ensures TikTok views your account as authentic, reducing the risk of shadow banning and ensuring your videos get traction. Hello everyone, thank you for joining this course. In this session, I'll guide you through creating the same type of content that has helped me succeed. Additionally, I'll share some tips I use to maximize the chances of going viral. If you have any questions after completing this course, feel free to ask. Thank you all for being here. Regular posting is key. I recommend one video per day. The timing of your posts isn't crucial. If a video is engaging, it will perform well regardless of the posting time. It's essential to create original content using the free tools I'll introduce you to, as using others' content won't benefit your account. I recommend using ChatGPT, but it's optional. You can create an account and use the free version, explain the context, and then briefly describe the scene, as shown on the screen. For example, imagine we want an obese orange cat walking down the school halls with a backpack on its back, looking sad. ChatGPT will assist you by providing detailed descriptions. As you can see, I don't use ChatGPT to generate the images I use in my TikToks. Instead, I describe a scene, and ChatGPT enhances this description. Before I copy it into an image generator, I will introduce you in the next video. Another benefit of ChatGPT is that if you're not fluent in English, you can describe the scene or image you want in your own language, and then ask ChatGPT to translate it into English. You'll need to copy and paste the English description into the image generator, because AI models are generally more trained on English, resulting in better outputs when using English descriptions. Visit Bing Image Creator and create a free account. You can generate up to 15 images every 24 hours per account. Once you have your scene description ready, paste it and click Create. Choose from several high-quality images. Select the one you like or regenerate if needed. If the generator doesn't work, try rephrasing your description or removing certain words. Specify the style at the end of your description. For example, if you want images that look realistic like the ones I use in my TikToks, add real image or realistic art to the end of your description. Another tip, if you have multiple email addresses, use them to create additional accounts. This way, you won't have to wait 24 hours for your credits to recharge, allowing you to generate more images without interruption. After generating your images, use CapCut, a free editing software. Start by creating a new project and importing your images. Arrange them in your preferred order. Change the ratio to 9:16. To apply a blurred background effect like in my videos, click on Canva located at the bottom right, then select None and choose Blur. I typically use level 2. Adjust the duration of each image as needed. For a dynamic scrolling effect with zoom, begin by positioning the playhead at the start of each image. In the top right corner, click on Scale and select Add Keyframe to set it to 100%. Next, move to the end of the image, add another keyframe, and adjust the scale to 125%, for example. Repeat this process for each photo. Incorporate transitions such as black fade between images, and consider adding video effects or sound effects to enhance your content. Finally, download your video and upload it to TikTok. You can then add sound directly from the platform. While the content itself isn't directly monetizable due to being photo-based, you can still monetize your account through brand partnerships. I've successfully collaborated with several brands on my account. As your account grows in followers and views, create a professional email and receive collaboration proposals from companies. Don't forget to declare this activity for tax purposes, as it's important to comply with regulations. Thank you for completing this course. I sincerely hope it proves valuable in helping you achieve your goals on social media. Please take a moment to rate this course, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have. I'm here to assist you in your journey to success. Until next time, goodbye and best of luck with your digital endeavors.